In the modern, fast-paced world of automotive service, efficiency is the key growth driver for workshop owners. Introducing AutoFacets Digital Service Order, the one-stop digital solution for elevated workshop management. A user-friendly digital solution to streamline the workflow and enhance overall service experience. Providing key benefits like process automation, optimized workflow efficiency, increased performance and visibility, enhanced service record accuracy, transparent technician-customer communication. Experience the future of automotive service management with AutoFacets. AutoFacets, your digital automotive partner.